Hello everyone, my name is Glory. I am one of the participants of the Women Who Code Bounty Hack with Rich. I built RSVP application for the hackathon. So what RSVP application does is to enable attendees attend an event, RSVP for the event, whether paid or free. So basically, you see a lot of RSVP ticketing platforms on the Web 2, but in Web 3, I've actually not come across any RSVP DApp. So that's one of the inspiration behind this application. And this was built using Rich and deployed on the Algorand blockchain. So Rich is programming language for creating dApps. And so quickly to dive in, this is the Rich code. This is the backend code for the application. This is the DApp. So it's divided into like 3 sections. I have the organizer, the RSVP, the tickets platform, and the check-in for the event. So that's what I have there. Then on my MGS file, this is the front end code to test the application before taking it to React and all that. So this application was built with Rich, deployed on Algorand once again, and then the front end was developed with React. So quickly, what this solution does, the current features of this application enables event organizers to create events and attendees to RSVP for the event. So subsequently, I plan to make it in such a way that it will be like a marketplace for events. So the owner of the platform make some profit out of the platform for every RSVP that happens on the platform, and the organizer of the event also make profit from every resale of ticket and from direct sales of ticket as well. So those are some of the future plans for the event. But right now, we are going to create an event like an organizer. So to create an event, this is a non-network token. It's an Algorand and Algorand standard assets, which will be deployed on Algorand. So I can call this ticket my event. So this is the event title, and the price for this event is $2. And the image I want to use for this event is this image. Then the venue for the event is online, and the date for the event is 29th. So I could say my events, and then the title of the event, the ticket is my NFT tickets. So then the symbol could be MNT, and the units, the supply, I just want to supply 10 units of it. So then I click create. So this is going to request that I sign this transaction with my wallet. So I'm going to sign this transaction right now. As you can see, the tickets is approved, 10 units of it. So once I sign this transaction, we can go and view the details of the transaction too in the Algorand Explorer. So but before that, let me go back to the main page. So basically the events are loading. Before now I had 3 events, so I have to refresh. It takes some time for the event to get loaded. So the metadata for this event is uploaded on IPFS, and the blockchain in which we are deploying this is Algorand. So if I go to my Pinata dashboard, I have just 3 events there. So let me refresh. If everything goes well, I should see the fourth event that I just created now. So while that is loading, basically these are previous events I have here. Doing this enables you to RSVP for an event you can RSVP, you pay the amount you want to RSVP, and then so let's assume I want to RSVP for this event. So I can just, so this is the event ID, this is ticket ID. So if I copy this ID, I take it to Agora Explorer. So let me change this to test name because that's a test ASA, that's a test Agora standard asset. So once you finish loading, you get to see the details of that particular asset. Let me paste it. I don't know what was wrong with my network. Okay, so yeah, so this is the detail of this particular transaction. So the supply is 50. This is the wallet address of the creator, and this is it. The date it was created was is shown there as well. Then so at the moment I have $31, what's 31 Agora rather. So if I RSV for any event here now, this particular event, let's check the price. Okay, the fee is $2. So if I say I want to buy 2 tickets and I click on RSVP, so it takes me to my wallet to perform this transaction, and I sign the transaction. So let me check the wallet again. Okay, so I think I was the one that created this particular event. So let me do this. Let me try with this because I just have one account connected at the moment. So if I do this, alright, cool. So as you can see, this is going to cost me 6 Agora. One of the tickets cost $3, and this is 6 Agora. So if you remove 6 from 31, that should be 25. Yeah, so our balance should be $25, and the recipient accounts should have increased. So if I refresh, yeah, as you can see, it's $25. So this is the GitHub repository for the project if you want to check it out, and that'll be all for now. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time.